I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to stay updated on your trades, activating notifications on Trading212 is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it. Step 1. Open the Trading212 app. Launch the Trading212 app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear, usually located in the top right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Select Notifications. In the Settings menu, find and select the Notifications option. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Step 4. Enable desired notifications. Toggle on the notifications you want to receive, such as price alerts, news updates, or trade confirmations. Make sure to customize them according to your trading style. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your notification settings, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a Save button at the bottom of the screen. If you skip this step, your preferences won't be updated. Now you are all set to receive notifications on Trading212. Enjoy staying informed about your trades and market movements. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy trading!